Namaste, I'm Krishna Chaitanya Mandela, your EV bro. Right now I'm in Hyderabad, one of the South India's largest electric vehicle charging station manufacturing unit, Axonify. The specialty of Axonify, they are making charging stations for electric two-wheelers, electric three-wheelers, electric four-wheelers, even electric buses as well. So what's so special about Axonify chargers? What kind of services they are offering to Axonify charging stations, and what kind of costing they are providing for the electric vehicle chargers? With me, Miss Hama is there, so she will explain what are the specialities of Axonify charging station.
Hi Andy, good afternoon. Myself Hema Sahasra, sales engineer for Axonify company. He is our department head, Naveen sir. She is our one of colleague, Gayatri ma'am, deputy manager. He will explain about charger segment and all. Naveen sir will look into it.
So as we have discussed AC and DC chargers from Axonify Tech Systems, here this is 3.3 kilowatts charger. With this charger you are able to charge your two-wheeler, three-wheeler and four-wheelers. And this charger comes with a 3.3 kilowatts capacity, and it can be scaled up to 7.4 kilowatts also. The charger cost is starts from 10,000 to up to 20,000 rupees. With this charger you can able to charge your four-wheeler within 10 hours time. Basically this is a slow charger, and this is 7.4 kilowatts type 2 charger. This charger is particularly for the four-wheeler and higher commercial vehicles. With this charger you can able to charge your vehicle within 4.5 hours, and this charger comes with the capacity of 7.4 kilowatts to 22 kilowatts of capacity with the multiple guns option. And the charger cost starts from 45,000 rupees, and depends on the features the charger cost will increase. But this is a completely plug-in charger. You can just install the charger and you can able to use this charger. Bharat AC 001 charger. This charger comes with the two industrial sockets, and each industrial socket is having the 3.3 kilowatts of output. With this you can able to charge your two-wheeler, three-wheeler, four-wheeler and other vehicles also. So this charger is having the 7.4 kilowatts, 3.3 kilowatts capacity into three outputs, and it does come with a display with a 7-inch touch screen. Okay, with this charger it integrates with the complete software solutions, and it is a plug and play charger. You just install and you can use this charger at any commercial locations. And with this charger you can able to charge your three vehicles at a time, and approximately each vehicle can take 5 to 8 hours to charge it. The price of the charger is it's about 42,000 to 45,000 in between. Here we have hybrid charger. Axonify is the one of the first manufacturer who made this hybrid chargers in India. And the speciality of this charger is you can charge your four-wheeler, two-wheeler, three-wheeler along with this charger. So for four-wheeler you no need to bring your charger, you directly bring your car and charge your vehicle. But two-wheeler and three-wheeler, with this industrial socket you can able to charge your two-wheeler and three-wheeler with your portable charger. So the cost of this charger is 65,000. This is the initial cost, and it comes with a complete integrated system. So it comes with a CMS, it comes with your software, and it is having all the payment gateway inbuilt. You need to just install the charger and you can start utilizing it. Here we have private charger, 7.4 kilowatts charger it is. We have the capacity of 7.4 kilowatts to 20 kilowatts of chargers in private charger, and generally this comes with a car. If you buy any MG and a Tata car, you get a car, you get this private charger along with the car as a package. So this is a simple charger where you can just charge your car and you can plug out. So it comes with a simple mobile app where you can connect this charger with your mobile app through Bluetooth system. So the cost of this charger is around 37,000. So if you go for the 22 kilowatts capacity, the charger cost is around 55,000 rupees. Here we have a 80 kilowatts AC charger. This is the one of the for critical application. Axonify is the one company who made this charger from India. This is a 80 kilowatts charger having two outputs with the 40 kilowatts of guns. So this is basically we are supplying these chargers to one of the bus manufacturer. This is basically installed in a bus depots and to charge their buses. The cost of the charger is around 3 lakhs rupees, and it comes with a complete integrated system, and this is also full plug and play system. Apart from all our AC chargers, we have DC charger. The DC charger, whatever you are seeing, this is a 30 kilowatts DC charger, and it is a CCS type 2 support DC charger. If you see this, basically this charger is used as a fast charger to charge your cars and commercial vehicles, and the cost of this 30 kilowatt charger is starts from the 4.5 lakhs rupees.
It can be charged in EV, can be charged in 1 hour, under 1 hour.
Yes, with this fast charger you can charge your car or any car. Average wise, if you see, you can charge it in within 1 hour. And the next model we have is a 60 kilowatt charger, and the beauty of this charger is it is a fast moving product in India as of now. So it comes with the two outputs, 30 kilowatts of two outputs. And with this charger you can able to charge your all four-wheelers and higher commercial vehicle also, and average time it takes is less than 1 hour to charge your car. The cost of the charger is approximately 9 lakhs to 10 lakhs rupees. Highest capacity super fast charger we are making from the Axonify. This is a 240 kilowatt charger. This is basically using for the bus charging application. So it does comes with two outputs of 120 kilowatt charger. So this is like a super fast charger where bus operator wants to charge their buses very fast. So when you're traveling long distance and bus wants to charge at certain places, this is the best solution for them, and it charges the bus within half an hour time, and this costs you around 20 lakhs rupees.
What is the warranty for all these chargers?
So for all the chargers we are supplying from Axonify is having the standard warranty of 1 year from the supply. So we have some other options where we are providing the AMC and extended warranty. So depends on the customer requirement. We are flexible for AMC and extended warranty also. In warranty, it is a comprehensive warranty. We will cover all the manufacturing defects under the warranty.
Now coming to Axonify, you are a manufacturer level.
Yes.
So what kind of safety you are following for these chargers?
Yeah. So as a manufacturer, for our safety is always first. So we are considering all the related, in terms of person who is charging the car, in terms of car having the 30 lakhs to 1 crore of value. At the same time, we need to consider the safety of the charger. So here we are considering the over voltage protections, over current protections, under current protections, leakage current protection, short circuit protection. So it comes with all the safety protections. So when you are installing the Axonify charger, yes, you are very safe, and your car is very safe.
Now coming to service is a major thing for a charging station.
Yeah.
So what's so special about the service from Axonify?
Yeah. So whenever a customer is going for any purchase, the next question in his mind is the after sales support. So here we have a very good system in after sales support. We have a tie-up with the third party service providers. They are well trained by Axonify, and we have the tie-up with these service providers pan-India wise for the major 165 cities. And we have a portal where customer wants to create any service request. They just go into our website and they create a support form. So from there it creates a service request. That service request will be visible for all over the management, and they can see whether the service request is closed or open. So based on that, the solution will get very fast.
Is there any kind of government support for Axonify chargers?
Yeah, if you see government support from central government, there are some FAME 2, FAME 1, FAME 3 scheme subsidies are there. At the same time, if you come to the state-wise policies, every state is having their own EV policies where they are giving some subsidies. They are giving some subsidies on the power and subsidies on the land they are providing. Let us come to the Telangana. In Telangana, they are giving the subsidy on the power. So if you get a commercial power, you generally pay 8 rupees, 9 rupees per unit. So when you take a separate EV connection for the EV charging station, you get a power at 6 rupees only. So there you are getting directly almost 30% of the subsidy for the power. At the same time, you don't have any fixed demand charges. So if you are not able to use that power, you no need to pay any extra amount every month. So that is a benefit for the EV charging station providers.
Tell me the uniqueness of Axonify charger.
Yeah. So when you are comparing Axonify, we are always stands separate because we have a very good state-of-the-art facility in Hyderabad, heart of the Hyderabad. We have a 50,000 square feet space of the beautiful plant with the state-of-the-art machinery. And if you look at our products, these products are basically designed for the Indian grid and climate conditions. because we have a 40 years of experience in the electrical domain. If you look at that 40 years of experience, we have worked out how we can make Axonify chargers are better suitable for the Indian as well as export market. So where if you let us take an example, when you are installing a charger in a site, so in the evening time generally you get over voltages, over currents. So if you import any chargers, those import chargers are designed for the exporting countries. So here what we are considering the Indian grid condition where over voltage comes more than 15-20% extra. That we are considering, and we are proving that this charger, if you get a over voltage inside, still the charger works very well.
You have that protection.
Yes. Apart from that, we have a very good R&D team. It consists of around 18 engineers who are particularly working on the EV charger improvements. We are not buying any technology or anything from outside. It is a complete designed, manufactured, assembled in Hyderabad factory, make in India product.
So that's the complete details about Axonify chargers. They are offering chargers with a price tag of starting from 10,000 rupees for slow charging stations for 2-wheelers and 3-wheelers and even 4-wheelers also, but it will take some longer time. But if you take the DC charging stations, the higher DC charger rating up to 240 kilowatt charger they are offering, and the price of the charger it is 20 lakh rupees. So based on the customer requirement, they are doing the customizable chargers, and the uniqueness of Axonify charging stations, they are taking more effort on the service. So that is what their uniqueness about the Axonify chargers, and also they are offering on-site any kind of service support, and remotely they can monitor the charging stations. If you want to contact Axonify, or if you want to start charging station business, we will provide the contact details in the screen and in the description below. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to EV Bro. Charge the nature, drive the future.